I'm from The Analyst. We provide a video analysis service to all different sports at all different levels. And I'm just going to take you through a quick example of how we made use of video analysis at the Telkom Netball League. So first of all, we make use of iSportsAnalysis, which is an online video analysis platform. This means that any videos or footage we get of any games that we're filming, we can upload them to iSportsAnalysis, and then we code these games. So when I say code, it means that we build a timeline of events, so it will make the coach's job as well as the player's job easy to go through each individual key performance indicator that you'd like to have a look at. So once we have added you to iSportsAnalysis, you'll click on, or you will go to the iSportsAnalysis homepage. You'll click on Channel Sign In, and then using your username and password, which you would receive, you can then input these into the text field. Because iSportsAnalysis is an online sharing platform, it means that you will need the internet in order to access your team's channel. You're able to use any device, so it can be either an Apple phone or an Android phone, a tablet, an iPad, or a Windows laptop or a Apple MacBook. Once you have signed into your team channel, you'll see all the different sessions that have been analyzed and uploaded to your platform. And what you can do is you can just click on any session that you'd like to view. So once you click on the session, this is the Sunbirds versus Comets. It will take you through to an interactive stats report. The interactive stats report allows you to physically click on a stat, and then you're able to view those particular instances. So for instance, if you want to have a look at all the 49 goals that were scored, you just click on the 49 metric and a window will pop up, and as you can see, you'll have 49 clips of all the goals that were scored by the Sunbirds. You can then you can either watch this in double speed, and you can click to each clip as you go or as you wish to then view those clips linked to those stats. Once you've had a look at the interactive stats report, you are able to create a playlist, and you can also comment on clips. So if you click on the coach's corner, this will take you to the video player where you'll see obviously the game that's been played. On the right hand side, you'll see the place where you are able to write comments on each clip, and underneath you'll see the timeline of events that has been created or that we coded during the game. So for instance, if you want to go have a look at all the center pass clips, you can go into the bookmarks and event filter, and when you click on the event filter tab, you're able to see any clip that you'd like to watch. So for instance, if you are the Sunbirds and you want to have a look at all your center passes that you did not successfully convert or score from, you can then filter to see all the unsuccessful center passes. So what happens is once you've filtered your choice that you want to have a look at, you can have a look at all the clips on the right hand side. So you can just say play all clips. That will take you to the first center pass that was unsuccessful by the Sunbirds. And you can then obviously skip through each of the clips that you want to view. So this is now playing clip 2. If you want to build a playlist of all these clips for your players to go back and have a look at them, you're able to add them to the list of clips where my mouse is now. So you add clip 4 to that list. You can skip to the next one, clip 5. If this is a clip that you want to possibly discuss with your players, you can just click it on or press the list or the create playlist button, and we'll add that particular clip to that list. And you can do the exact same as you keep going through each clip, obviously watching every one as you go by. So once you've gone through all your clips and you've added them to your playlist, you can then say, you can stop the bookmarks and event filter button, and you click that button at the top here. So now if you want to filter to all the clips that you want to create the playlist from, you click clips, and that will then pull out those 3 specific clips that you want to build a playlist from. So once you've listed them on the right hand side here, you go back to bookmarks, and then you can just write in here clips to discuss with the team. and you can possibly say, or once you've written your title, you can say save. And then if you want to go and actually physically look at those bookmarks, you can say show bookmarks, and those 3 will then appear. If you want to keep these private, so you can have a one-on-one session with a player, you can say private, and no one else will be able to see these. So when your players and other coaches log into the team channel and then log into an actual session, they can then go back and watch all the clips that you've pulled out. Say, for instance, you want to add a comment to this particular clip over here. So you can press play, and say there's a part in a clip that you actually want to comment on. So maybe you want this person to move differently on the court, or this player to either drop back or head for the pocket. You're able to then post a message at this point in time and just say movement off the ball. Maybe just say run into pocket. And I'm going to post it as a coach. And you can either send this message privately to everybody, or you can send it publicly to the whole team. So once you've obviously listed your comment or written your comment, you can say post message, and then your players will be able to come and click on this particular comment, and will take them right back to the point in the video where you've made the comment, and they can then obviously go and watch the clip to understand your comment a bit better. They're then able to go and reply on this message, and you can start having a two-way dialogue. So this is just a quick introduction to iSportsAnalysis and how it can help you and your team.